stay right here. Whatever you do. Popo's about to be here.
What happened, Alan?
Popo's about to be here, and we're going to tell him what about the truck went.
Well, tell me what happened.
Popo's about to be here. We're about to talk to him.
No, tell me.
That's what I'm telling you, Mom.
No, at the bar, what happened when y'all come out?
We was chilling. We walked out. Good, too. We was chilling. We had a fucking badass time. Me and Russell came out.
What were you doing, Russell?
Like that. We came out there. We was fucking ready. You know what I'm saying? We walked out. We're like, then we go to the home. We have people following us. Come back in here. Party. Boom. We walked out and no truck. That bitch gone.
No truck.
I told the lady just now on the phone. She said, well, sir, when did they take her truck? I said, we was coming out the bar and wasn't nothing there.
Nothing. You told her nothing.
No, seriously, that's what I told her.
But we got out like 5 minutes truck on.
Yeah, the truck died how many times?
We scratching our head like,
coming out.
Take that over, no?
We came out, I said, damn, truck ain't in your fucking spot. Because look, he parked all the way at the back.
Because y'all didn't want to be seen in it.
No, yeah, it's true. Wasn't nothing in the back. We're like, damn, where Rick's truck go, fool? Like, damn, we're trying to go to the house.
I try to get hope.
We start walking.
I try to get hope. Why the fuck it over there?
We start walking on. We're like, we get in. No truck around.
Bubba, I try to give him hope. No, I try to give him hope.
Around at all.
Nothing, huh?
I try to give him hope. I told him maybe he parked over here.
Maybe park, yeah. We walk over there, and me and Russell went, fucking in here. Let's go. Hey, and Rick goes, you gonna run?
He was chasing y'all.
Me and Russell now hit the fucking woods.
Rick's chasing y'all?
I called you, I said, I'm in hot bro.
We said, no, we going.
Hey, we're in hot bro.
Use a hot biscuit.
Mama, the fucking cops, dude, hot bro.
In the front of fucking.
Boom, started hitting the lights like this.
Like, who are those guys? They were right by a bank.
I'm like, dog, we can't stay right here without a bank. We're by a bank.
Three dudes all walking by a bank. And one of them was pissed off.
I swear to God, dude.
We walking cool, one of them looked pissed off.
It was a bank, dude. And Bubba said, we gotta walk faster than this bank. They got them screens. We just walking around like this.
Hey, we were like this, fool. And one of them looked pissed off.
Waving at the cameras?
Mama, them cameras.
Yeah.
We're walking on the motherfucker like this. Yeah, Rick said, they took my truck. They did. Of course they took your truck. We could have been home already if they didn't take your truck.
It was 85. It was 85 pickup. Is that my truck? Hell no, they ain't your truck. We
walked out there.
Because he said my truck.
Nothing, huh?
Hey.
Mama, not nothing.
Hey, you were looking for that hold on. You were walking here pissed off looking for that. Is that my truck?
Hey, everybody went down Fort Road. Rick was like this.
Is that my truck right there?
We're like, run, nigga, just get out of here.
We ain't worried about our truck, dude. We try to worry about it. Fuck that truck, man.
Fuck that truck.
Hey, he kept saying,
hey, we went to Hot Biscuit.
I said, man, come on, dog. Your truck, your truck.
We went to Hot Biscuit. Me and Mama went in. She said, oh, what are y'all doing? We sat down. We said, we just chilling.
They're going to give us some butter.
And me and Bubba started about like, fuck yes.
Y'all got out of there.
Butter. They started serving us like, they got us butter, some bread. The Bubba's calling me, I got to
Hey, I did. I said, no, they setting us up.
They setting us up. They started giving us menus and butter and bread. And then look like, you got to beat that hoodoo. Beat that bread.
God damn it.
So what's Rick gonna tell him?
I don't know. I called it Popo.
I know you called it Popos, but what Rick's gonna tell him?
Yeah, but what if they don't show up like last time?
They are. It said,
Wait, I think I hear sirens.
You know what they said? They said this. We'll be there in a little while.
emergency though.
How you gonna be there in the
Nobody's
middle?
dying.
Nobody's dying.
You know what I'm saying? Remember when I called him? They got me quick.
Yeah. He's like, tell me to
Hey,
call the cops.
we flipped the truck. You know what I'm saying? Alan was pinned under the truck. I told Bubba, I'll be back, Bubba. You be all right. You okay? Can you move everything? Yeah, okay, cool. I'll be back, Bubba. I said, I'll be back, Bubba. Yeah, all right. Oh, where's my hat? I said, I don't know. I need my cowboy hat. That's the only thing I worry about. My cowboy hat. I took off running for I said, all right, Bubba, I'll be gone now. Motherfucker, I was out here quick.
They come
I
fast.
caught the ambulance and the laws got here.